Hey baby, I know we're on vacation, but the new Givenchy powder has been going really viral. People are really upset. They're saying they reformulated it and it's shiny and it's no longer matte. What happened?
It's talc free, right? The second you take out the talc, you need to replace it with something else in the ingredient list. And talc was the #1 ingredient. Talc is super, super matte. It's also less expensive than what they are probably having to replace it with, like synthetic mica, for example. When you think about sand, the particle size is different. So with synthetic mica, the particle size is different. The absorption of the oil is different and it's very shiny. Unless you spend a lot of money on your synthetic mica, you're gonna see that shine.
So is everything gonna be reformulated and become talc-free?
From a regulatory standpoint, companies can get documents to protect themselves, but it's not even worth it. Most companies are going to just reformulate to talc-free for loose powders, especially for those are the inhalation ones. I saw Gloria's video and Gloria's
not as shiny.
Darker shades require way more pigment, less filler. The filler is white by its nature, which would come up on dark skin as ashy. So you add more pigment, you immediately take away the filler, and in this case, the synthetic mica has that shine. So you're gonna see the darker shades be less shiny because of the pigment load.
How do you feel about this reformulation from a beauty product development perspective?
It's not easy for a product developer to do exactly what they want. There's so many factors, specifically budget. It's always gonna come down to the cost of goods. Everybody is selling product to make money. Yes, they may be doing all amazing things, but at the end of the day, if it doesn't fit within the parameter of the cost of goods, they can't put it to market. They're not gonna be able to make money off of it. Is the market happy? Not necessarily, but there are matte, ultra blurring, soft, fine particle powders on the market that you can replace with it, so don't worry.
What would you recommend?
Right now, you want that super, super blur, high absorption, polite society. There will be another powder hitting the market like any day now, though. Stay tuned. I can't talk about it yet.
As soon as we get home to the United States,
I promise.
We got lots to evaluate. What else do you want to see us evaluate when we get home?
Let us know.
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
So,
I'm doing a Baywatch moment.
Baywatch. What do you have to say about the new Mario powder that just came out?
That's what you want to talk about in this beautiful ocean?
Beauty queens want to know.
Laurel lysine, talc. They're like beautiful cousins. Really, really matte. Kaolin also. That's gonna go viral. Greek man doesn't know what poppers are and invites all sexy Greek man doesn't know what poppers are.
It's food for the fish.
No, that's a different kind of fish, my friend. Kaolin, amazing oil absorption. Laurel lysine is gonna give you that blurred out, really, really, really smooth texture along with the silica. You need to try the Mario powder if that's what you're looking for. The Givenchy really confused me. Why did they launch 3 shiny products and then 3 matte? It doesn't make sense to me. I would love to know why.
I think it was a product development fail.
If I was guessing, I think the product development team found themselves in a situation where they had to launch. 3 of the shades came out luminous and 3 of the shades that had more pigment came out matte. So they decided to split the batch of 6 shades and make 3 matte and 3 luminous. That's what I think happened. I don't know if they really intended it to be all luminous or all matte. We'll never know unless they tell us. That's up to you, Givenchy.
What do you think about them pulling the shades? That's what people are saying.
They probably pulled them because people were really angry and they're about to fix that synthetic mica situation. They're about to change the ingredients a little bit and they're about to make them all matte. Potentially. We'll see. Maybe they just sold out.
But why are we talking about this now?
Let's go.
We'll be back soon.
We'll be back soon, beauty queens.
But in the meantime, baby, how was it?
It was amazing.
You like talking about loose powder on the beach?
Yeah, I'm a little afraid of the fish though. Don't throw anything in the water. Let's do this. Baby, it's make it rain with poppers.
Wow.
They're pretty big, you know.
They're huge.